Morning everyone, we are the Global Unit Group from English class to KJ 014. Today we will performing a role play title New Hope After the Flood. The topic three, number one, psychology, two, sustainable and art science. My name is Yohanes Yohotang and I act the project coordinator.
Hello everyone, my name is Mar Valentina and I serve as the Sustainability Coordinator.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayu Fitrana Dewi. I am a psychological counselor.
I'm Aulia Maria. I'm a community volunteer.
Hello everyone, my name is Nova and I am an art science researcher.
Hello everyone, my name is Lucy and I serve as the media coordinator.
In this story, we are students who are member the same community service organization. We are work together of various projects that help the local community.
Today's story is set in a classroom where we are preparing for our next community service program. Everything seems normal until we receive some unexpected news.
A nearby village was hit by heavy rains, causing severe flooding. Many families have been evacuated to a temporary shelter.
Besides losing their homes, many people are also feeling afraid, anxious, and stressed. They need emotional support just as much as they need food and supplies.
Our mission is to redesign our community program so that we can help the flood victim in the best way.
Can we combine scientific knowledge, environmental responsibility, and psychological support to help community? Let's find out in reading sentence.
This is our story, New Hope After the Flood. Friends, please attention to message our partner village the been flooded and the outdoor event venue the longer usable.
The flooding is indeed severe, but we must prevent further problem from arising. Emergency relief effort must not result in mountain of plastic waste.
Rainfall data show that the area has experienced very heavy rain, where river levels are rising faster than expected.
I just spoke with the village head. He said that several families have temporarily moved into the village camp.
I just received another email. The international students asked if the event will go ahead and if the village needed a donation.
I'm preparing a promotional video, but we need to rephrase the message so that it doesn't treat flooding as entertainment.
Ayu, contact our international partner. We need to see if today can change the travel plan and the support the emergency program.
I will explain that the schedule has changed due to the floods, but the cultural exchange will continue in a safer form.
He also explained the residents are more urgently in need of clean water, school supplies, and reliable information than entertainment.
First, we need to move the event indoors. Second, we need to mark emergency exit. Finally, we need to monitor the weather.
Okay, I can replace this disposable decoration with fabric banners, recycled paper design, refill station, and reusable food containers.
I will announce that this festival has turned into a solidarity event and explain in detail how donation will be collected and distributed.
We can cancel without considering the local community. The festival supposed connect country, but also need to respond to local need.
I support the coordination of this event only if the local community is involved in planning, selling product, and managing the donation.
Our partners say they could bring educational materials, but they want clear guidelines on culturally appropriate assistance.
Flooding is not caused by a single factor. Heavy rainfalls, clog drainage channels, and change inland use all increased risk.
The support side that the bamboo plants were available, but he warned us the delivery might be delayed due to bad roads.
We also have to verify every post because false information can spread quickly across borders and cause unnecessary fear.
Guys, Mawar, let's divide the tasks. Mawar will manage surprise Silva. Will cases security, and I will coordinate with the resident.
I will also organize waste sorting because recyclable organic and waste should not be mixed during the event.
Even though tomorrow may be dry, the ground is still saturated with weather, which means further heavy rain could trigger further flooding.
Some families are worried that visitors will take photos without permission, so we need an ethical media policy.
I can create multilingual posters in Indonesian and English so that local residents and international participants receive the same information.
That's important. Global cooperation will fail if outsiders assume they understand local problems better than local people.
Guys, I purpose to turn Festival Global Solidarity Day, which a combined culture, a change, fundraising, and environmental education.
I propose having a cultural booth where each country shares one tradition and one participle idea for climate adaptation.
Compared to the original festival, the new program will use fewer resources and convey a stronger environmental message.
I can create a simple hazard map showing safe zone, risk roads, medical posts, and evacuation routes.
Village youth can lead storytelling session about their experience as long as participation is voluntary and respectful.
During the event, I will ask for permission first before filming anyone, especially children and families affected by the flood.
The Japanese team can explain disaster response experience, while the Philippine team can share about community-based flood repairs.
Unlike the outdoor location, the school hall is on higher ground and has two access roads for emergency vehicles.
We can sell local snack in reusable packaging, and the profit can be used to purchase clean water supplies for families.
This approach reduces social distance because citizens become active partners in the decision making, not just passive recipients of outside assistance.
I will also publish transparent donation reports showing the amount collected, item purchased, and recipients in the community.
So the plan fair because each group contribute according to its ability, while the village deciding what assistance is actually needed.
I will prepare a consent form and community input box so that residents can report their concern during the program.
Short cultural performance can still be included, but they should support the story, not distract from the emergency objective. I will brief all the volunteers so they know what to do if the weather changes suddenly.
However, we have to present these ideas as option, not as the best solution, because every community has different conditions.
Okay, I agree with Aul that local traders should be involved. Sustainability also means protecting livelihood, not just protecting nature.
Okay, please remember that our goal not to speak on behalf of the community, but to work with them respectfully. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, the partner have agreed. The school all is ready. And village community has approved our receive the program.
International participants have confirmed their attempts, accept their responsibility, and understood the received humanitarian objective and community priorities of this event.
Trashbin refill points and donation stand are ready, and all volunteers have received clear operational instruction.
The village committee has carefully reviewed that plan, assigned train local volunteer to each activity posted.
Thus, what the weather forecast is stable, and the safety team has strongly checked the whole exit, electricity, and surrounding route. The final announcement, approval was, and donation report template have been completed. The message is clear and respectful.
Now, today we learned that global cooperation become meaningful when people share responsibility, listen careful, and act.
Okay, our solution clearly demonstrate that responsible consumption can support environmental protection, community dignity, equitable local livelihoods, and long-term social recovery.
The experience shows that global studies is not just about a country, it is actually about global independence, dialogue, and mutual respect.
The best outcome is not perfect festival. It's a program where the entire community feels heard, respect, and truly improved.
Scientific information help us avoid panic, compare risks, and choose a safer location based on reliable local evidence and current conditions. Today, programs show that media can build solidarity when its information is accurate, ethical, inclusive, and connected to real action.
Different country, different experience, but one common planet and one shared responsibility.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.